Howdy, thanks for joining us on BWC Publishing Channel. I'm Wayne. We picked up this transformer. It's called Robots in Disguise Sideswipe. Thought we would open it, show you how it folds up. I think that's a Lamborghini it makes. We'll get it together, show you how it works, okay? Stay with us. Sometimes we have some surprise endings at the end, so. Okay, let's open it up and see what we can do with it here. There's the back side. These are made by Hasbro, by the way. Well, that's not easy to get apart right there, is it? Maybe down here. There we go. There he is. All right. Here's your instructions. Tells you how to fold it and all. Let's see what the instructions say here. Looks like 5 steps, huh? There it is. Okay, let's transform him now, okay? This piece in the back folds up. The 2 arms will go up and in. What's this? Up, in. There you go. The other side does the same thing. Like that. Now, look at the top. You fold it over and then make sure it clamps down on it. Now there's a tab on the 2 legs that clamp them together. See right here? Now, they fold over like so and connect. Right there. Clamp them together, the 2 black feet press down, and there's your car. Now, I'm pretty sure that's a Lamborghini.